We've all gotten used to chatbots and AI assistants, right? But there's a new evolution quietly starting to reshape the way we work. I'm talking about AI agents. And they're not just here to answer your questions, they're here to actually get things done. Think of them as your new digital coworker.
Let me just put it this way. What if you could ask a simple question in a chat window and then, just moments later, have a fully formatted, multi-page sales quote ready to send to a client? It sounds like something way off in the future, but nope, it's happening right now. And here's exactly how it works. So in this real-world example from DemoBird 365, a user just types a request into a chat, something like, "Hey, can you quote me 5 high-spec laptops and 10 small monitors?" The agent then actually reasons over the company's product data. It generates a professional Word document with all the line items, attaches it to a brand new email, and sends it off. All of that from one simple prompt. Wild, right? And this right here is the key difference. We are not talking about a simple chatbot that just spits out a text-based answer. We're talking about an autonomous agent that can understand an objective, plan a whole series of actions across different apps, and then execute them to achieve a goal. So what exactly is an AI agent? Well, think of it as a hyper-intelligent assistant. PwC puts it this way. It's an advanced digital workforce that can reason, execute tasks, understand context, and get this, even learn from its mistakes. It's a tool that doesn't just give you information, it takes action. That whole quotation generator thing is a super powerful example for sure, but it's just one play in a much, much larger playbook. Businesses, especially small and medium-sized ones, are already deploying these agents in a ton of practical ways, and often without needing to write a single line of code. For instance, you could automate your customer service to handle all the FAQs and route the tricky tickets 24/7. Or in marketing, agents can whip up drafts for blog posts or social media updates. You can even plug them right into e-commerce platforms like Shopify to handle product recommendations or low stock alerts. These are real, tangible things, saving businesses hours and hours every single week. So how does all this work? What's really going on under the hood that lets an agent do these complex, context-aware tasks? Let's take a look. Okay, the secret sauce is training. General models like ChatGPT are trained on the public internet, which is massive. But a true AI agent gets its power from being trained on your company's specific private data. We're talking emails, customer conversations, product specs, internal documents, all of it. That's what gives the agent the deep contextual understanding it needs to be genuinely useful. Now, let's be real. Historically, building a custom solution like this was a pretty significant investment. Look at this table. A full project, from data collection all the way to deployment, could run you anywhere from $30,000 to over $100,000. That's a serious barrier for a lot of companies. But things are changing, and they're changing fast. Get this, since 2020, AI infrastructure costs have plummeted by nearly 70%. What once required this massive upfront investment is now becoming dramatically more accessible. So how is that even possible? Well, a big part of the answer is the rise of these powerful open source models. Instead of building everything from scratch, which is where those crazy high costs came from, companies can now use foundations like AItools Olmo 3, which can actually rival the performance of the big proprietary systems. This is a total game changer, giving businesses way more control over costs and data and making it easier than ever to build their own custom agents. This technological shift isn't just happening in a vacuum. Oh no, it is creating massive waves across the entire economy. A major global study from PwC analyzed nearly 500 million job ads to see what the real-world impact has been so far. And honestly, the results are fascinating. Let's start with the big fear, the one that's on everyone's mind. A customer support agent named John, who was profiled in the study, worried that AI might replace him. It's a totally common concern, but the data tells a very different and a much more optimistic story. First, let's talk productivity. The study found that the industries most exposed to AI, so the ones best able to use it, are seeing 3 times higher growth in productivity, and they measure that as the revenue generated per employee. And this chart just lays it out brilliantly. Look at that bar on the far left. Industries that are most able to use AI saw productivity grow by 27%. Now, compare that to just 8.5% for the industries that are least exposed. AI isn't some marginal improvement. It is a massive value creator. Okay, so companies are more productive. Great,
But what about the workers? Well, check this out. The data shows their wages are growing twice as fast in those very same industries. So the value that's being created by AI, it appears to be getting shared, leading to higher pay.
But here's the biggest mythbuster of them all. The study looked at both automatable jobs, like customer service, and augmentable jobs, like financial analysts. And in both categories, job numbers are growing and wages are rising. So even in the roles most susceptible to automation, we are just not seeing widespread job loss.
And this brings us to the key takeaway. Companies seem to be using AI to make their workers more valuable, not to replace them. Remember the support agent, John? He wasn't replaced. AI handled the simple stuff, which freed him up to solve more complex customer problems. It's a strategy for growth, not just for cutting headcount. So this brings us to the most important question of all. What does all this mean for you and for your career? Because the rise of AI agents isn't just an economic trend. It's a fundamental shift in the skills you need to succeed. And here's the number that really drives this home. According to that PwC data, the skills employers are looking for are changing 66% faster in jobs that are exposed to AI. That is a massive acceleration, up from just 25% the year before. The ground is literally shifting under our feet. As Carol Stubbings from PwC puts it, the challenge is not that there won't be jobs. It's that workers need to be prepared to take them. The premium now is on adaptability and on our willingness to learn new skills that work with these powerful new tools.
So it's clear that AI agents are way more than just a passing trend. They are becoming a core part of the modern workforce, a digital coworker for all of us. The evidence shows they drive productivity, they grow wages, and they create jobs. So the question is no longer if they will change our work, but how we will learn to collaborate with them to become more effective than ever before.